फिजिक्स की लैब में या फिर हो क्लास में, who is that speaking so loudly? Scolding या jovial अनोखी अदा में, dressed in कांजीवरम साड़ी. न्यूक्लियर हो या ऑप्टिक्स या हो मैथमेटिक्स थोड़ा ज्यादा. From IIT Madras solve only no है नानो हमारी है विंदा. हाँ बादल बिजली चंदन पानी जैसा का प्यार आएगी इनकी. हाँ हम सभी को यादें बार बार. हाँ स्टूडेंट्स कलीग्स पियंस और प्रिंसिपल सबको मिला उनका प्यार. मिलकर सभी को बांटती वो हरदम खुशियाँ बेशुमार.
मेरे सामने वाली लैब में एक प्रोफेसर हमारा रहता है. मेरे सामने वाली लैब में एक प्रोफेसर हमारा रहता है. अफसोस है ये कि वो हमसे अब अलविदा कह रहा है. अफसोस है ये कि वो हमसे अब अलविदा कह रहा है. मेरे सामने वाली लैब में एक प्रोफेसर हमारा रहता है. ऑप्टिक्स का कॉन्सेप्ट गहरा, वो स्टूडेंट बेचारा सहरा. जी भर के हमको डांटे फिर भी है स्माइलिंग चेहरा. तारीफ करूं क्या उनकी जिसने फिजिक्स पढ़ाया. तारीफ करूं क्या उनकी जिसने जीना सिखाया.
फिजिक्स की लैब में या फिर हो क्लास में, who is that speaking so loudly? Scolding या jovial अनोखी अदा में, dressed in कांजीवरम साड़ी. न्यूक्लियर हो या ऑप्टिक्स या हो मैथमेटिक्स थोड़ा ज्यादा. From IIT Madras solve only no है नानो हमारी है विंदा. हाँ बादल बिजली चंदन पानी जैसा का प्यार आएगी इनकी. हाँ हम सभी को यादें बार बार. हाँ स्टूडेंट्स कलीग्स पियंस और प्रिंसिपल सबको मिला उनका प्यार. मिलकर सभी को बांटती वो हरदम खुशियाँ बेशुमार.
Hello Veda. It's really difficult to believe that we have spent more than 25 years together, and now it is a time for us to separate and follow our individual paths, maybe far away from each other, because I don't know where you will settle down, I don't know where I will be settling down. We have really enjoyed our life together. We did argue a lot at times, but I'm sure those arguments also have helped us understand each other better. Believe me, you have always motivated me to improve myself as a person. You are a good singer. I just can't sing at all. But today I'm going to recite few lines for you. भले बुरेचे घडून गेले विसरून जाऊ सारे क्षणभर जरा विसाऊ या वळणावर, या वळणावर. कसे कोठुनी येतो आपण, कसे न कळता जातो गुंतून. उगाच हसतो, उगाच रुसतो, क्षणात आतुर क्षणात कातर. जरा विसाऊ या वळणावर, या वळणावर. And now when I turn back at this juncture, what I remember are the days which we have spent together and enjoyed lot at Mauritius Ghat, at Shivneri Fort, at Silvassa, and also in our departments during our meetings, our get-togethers, our lunch together. The time that we have spent in Khandala, at Khandala with our students or in our staff seminars. I'm sure these things we'll never forget. And in our future life, these are some sweet memories which will always keep us connected with each other. Even though hereafter we'll not get chance to meet each other personally, I'm sure we'll always keep in touch with each other. I wish you very peaceful and healthy future life. Thank you.
My dear friends, today we have gathered to celebrate the teaching career of Professor Veda Shankari. Veda ma'am to all you students, and my dear friend Veda to me. I have spent 25 years working with her in St. Xavier's College. We have spent a lot of time together every day for 6 to 8 hours. And so we know her very well. Of course, you all know about her passion for teaching, her ability to explain difficult points, and so on and so forth. What strikes to me as the most likable characteristic about Veda ma'am is her extreme ability to network with people. She really cares about people who come in contact with her, and she maintains her friendship, and she gives her utmost for anybody who needs her help. So that is what I would describe Veda ma'am as a person with great discipline, great integrity, punctuality, doing work on time, teaching passionately, very kind and sensitive person, but over and above all that, being very connected with everyone. So I feel that that's a rare quality which not everybody possesses, and I wish that some of that quality I could imbibe in me and stay in contact with others. I was going to say that we will miss her in the years to come, but given her ability to connect with everyone, that is not going to happen. So we are going to stay in touch with Veda ma'am, and we are going to stay connected. So although this is a farewell, this is only a pause. We may not meet every day, but we are surely going to stay connected. Thank you. Bye bye.
Hello everyone. Hello Veda ma'am. I should start by saying that I'm really happy that you are my teacher. Or should I say I'm really lucky to be one of your student. Well, today you are retiring officially, or you're retiring on the paper, but we know that you will be there for us. You will be there to guide us, to support us, and to teach us. We really need a teacher like you. We really need a teacher who keep herself updated with new technology, new papers, new experiment, or especially new books. We and the best part, you don't do you keep yourself updated, so you could share with us to your student and keep them motivating. At last, I'll say you are not retiring, but you will retry to help us, to support us and guide us. I really wish you a very good health. Please don't forget us because we won't. Thank you.
Hello, Veda ma'am. Many congratulations on your years of great work. We, the batch of 2019, want to wish you many congratulations and health and happiness ahead. Thank you, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am. Thank you for being such an inspiring and fantastic physics teacher. You have really molded me into the physics student that I am today, and I will always remember your lectures and your enthusiasm. I hope you have a very, very happy retirement ahead of you, and I wish you the very best. Thank you, ma'am.
Hi ma'am, thank you for being a professor through our college years. You are not only just a mentor or a teacher, but you were a source of inspiration. Your smile and your power to teach have conquered us all. May your retirement life be happy and peaceful. Thank you ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. It has been a blessing to have you as a professor while doing your college years, and I pray and hope that your retirement will be full of joy and peace. God bless you. Happy retirement, ma'am.
Hi Veda ma'am, congratulations on your retirement. I just want to say you were an amazing teacher and an even better person. We had many fun conversations and I really enjoyed your classes, as I'm sure all the students who came after us also enjoyed, and I'm sure you have a special place in everyone's heart, definitely mine. And I just want to say thanks for all the great wisdom that you gave to everyone, and it was really it's a real honor to know you, and I wish you all the best in your retirement years. Time to enjoy and not deal with students.
Hello ma'am, how are you doing? So it's been a really great time to be with you under you in St. Xavier's, and I hope you are having a good time while seeing this video. Take care ma'am, have a great day, bye.
Hi Veda ma'am, thank you so much for being who you are to me, for inspiring me, for giving me that little push that I've always needed in studies, in life. Thank you for always being there. I'm definitely going to miss you the most. And I wish you good luck and good health. May you continue to inspire souls like you always have.
Hello Veda ma'am. First of all, thank you for being such an amazing guru. It's sad that we cannot say goodbye to you in person. This college will always remember someone called Veda ma'am. But nevertheless, I hope end to this legendary teaching career marks a beginning to a retired life which is even more legendary. Thank you.
Hello, ma'am, and to everyone else who's watching this. Firstly, a big thank you for always being with us, for always encouraging and inspiring us, not just in academics but also in extracurriculars. Even though I've only been taught one semester by you, I have really loved being in your class. I've loved being taught by you, and I really wish that you could teach us in TY again next year, but you will surely be missed. I really respect you, and it was a great honor to be taught by someone as knowledgeable and as experienced as you.